pupunta tayo ng... Atin si...
Hi guys!
Guys, hinihintay ko si Sophie ngayon. Day ni Ted.
Nasa Jolly Light Yellow.
So, welcome to another random vlog of Hezi. For today's video, mag-vlog tayo ng kahit anong clips na may lalagay natin dito. Basically, everything. Ano may isip ko i-vlog ko. Today is April 29 and it's 10:24 in the morning. Alis kami right now because susunduin namin yung tatay ko from the airport. That's basically the agenda for today. Rice. Din po, chicken rice. Dalawa na po pala. Is yung big po. Akas na pala. Kung alam nyo lang, still the same day. It's 1:32 in the morning. Tapos ko na mag-ayos ng mga gamit, mag-organize. Because I don't know, there are just some days na gusto kong i-organize yung mga gamit ko. You are wondering kung bakit ganun kalabo. Dahil nandito pa to. Ganyan siya, hindi niya sinabi sa akin. Galing niya talaga. Anyway, so ano ang plano ko? Mag-journal na ako because it's part of my routine. What's up you guys? So today is the day na pupunta tayo ng Aurora Fest. And right now, nagre-ready ako. So yeah, hindi ko man napakita sa inyo yung final outfit ko. But I guess papakita ko na kapag kasama ko na si Sophie. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.
Tutuwa naman ako sa'yo, sister.
Hindi para matawa.
Para bang, anong nangyari sa'yo? Wala kasi sa, stress ka, ano? Nandito ako sa O-Save.
Hindi, parang hindi.
Sabi mo O-Save.
Ibang OCV nakita ko, hindi siya ganyan. Hi guys! Hi guys, I'm with
Pero
Sophie.
mag-ayos ako.
Army done. Next artist is... Hi guys.
By the way, once again, ito po
It's
sa
December
grabbing.
Avenue.
Maraming salamat. Thank you. First,
Sabay.
thank you so much. D1 pa lang to, di ba?
Finally, Ben and Ben. Wala si Patrick. Hindi kita, syempre. Pasok ulit kami because it's 4 of space na. Babalik na kami. OMG, ang sarap! Ano yun kasi tawag dyan? Takoyaki. Yeah. Maglugay ako, pwede naman pala ako maglugay. Okay naman siya. Right now, we are on the way to the photo booth. So let's check pa rin. What can you say about our picture?
Mine is okay, but look at you.
Gusto niyo makita, ayan. What's up, you guys? Hinihintay ko si Sophie ngayon. Yes, we're going where? A lot of things.
Was no beginning. Is it even worth it to... Wala na. Ulitin!
Sorry guys, napanood ko na kasi yung live.
So, nakalimutan na.
Hindi na dapat i-memorize.
So, is it even worth it?
Sorry. My sin.
Yeah, okay, your sin. Yeah. Ending if there was no beginning. Is it even worth it to reminisce? Hindi para mag-relax. Hindi! Sorry, Aaron. Ang ingay. Perfect. Ay, perfect. Ang bilis talaga ni Cheska mag-fit. Nang hina ako siya, so sumisper siya sa grab na. Oh my God.
It's right now. Hi everyone! Dito kami sa birthday ni Ted.
Nasa Jolly Town Carnival.
Yes! So yan, nanonood kami ngayon ng If Wishes Could.
Yan ba yung...
Action video, guys.
Yes! Babagsak.
Ayun!
Nakahinga na ako.
Kuya, natanggal?
Tanggalin sampa. Wala, tanggal. Yung sampa.
Hi!
Hindi
Buti
para
nakapag-isip-isip ka mag-Maison.
Yes. Hi guys! Kasama natin si...
Hi guys! It's Ashley!
Yes! Ang taas ng energy. So, dito kami ngayon sa Maison Matcha. Ihingitin si Nakaka. At saka si Sophie. Ang ganda dito guys. Super pretty. Parang feel ko nasa Paris ako.
Yes.
Yung plano ko sana mag-me time, tapos magtrabaho, gano'n. Hindi natuloy.
Matcha time.
Yes, dito tayo sa Maison Matcha. It's a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Very good.
Very crispy. Sige. Kala mo Bigis.
Mali. Maison. Yes.
Sarap. I have my Lola and here's my feet. Perfect. That's Kuya Red. Yan out there. And that's the Vic. Lola Gloria. Gloria. Happy birthday, Carmelita. Happy birthday, Marivic. Ay, hindi pala birthday ni Marivic. And this is Ramil. Hintayin natin si Joe, Lauren, at si Jahajel.
Jeremiah Jenny.
That's Jeremiah Jenny. That's Jeremiah Jenny. Say hi. No, it's Hey Jahashel. And Joe. Bon appetit. Eat well, guys. Sarap ng pagkain. Ayan. Guys, samahan niyo kayong mag-ubos ng shade. Too much shade.
Ng shade to.
Sa akin, super dark. Super bright.
Taste test. Reaction video. Tikman nyo.
Tingnan niyo, guys. Hindi na. Hindi ka magsusyudad.
Sabi ka kasi, dumalang ko sa ugly ka rin sa ugly mo.
What is up, you guys? Today is Thursday and it's 2:39 p.m. And wait lang, guys. Today is Thursday and papunta ako sa Mexico because there we have some life group in there. And since pawala na rin yung power, binibilisan ko na lang talagang magsalita. I'm just preparing my gamit here. I'm just gonna refill this because I do not go out without water. Also, inagahan ko rin ang pag-alis dahil my lola's having a little celebration there. Gusto niya rin i-celebrate with her, you know, friends, church friends. So, I'm out here. So, I'll see you guys later na lang. Bye! Our professional girly is there. Ayan siya, magkasama na naman kami. Hi, ma'am! Oh, Sophie Go, little rock star. Siya yung namimili ng ating mga ingredients because I do not know anything. Okay, so I am currently cooking right now. Actually, nag-ano naman ako ng jajangmyeon and some eggs because ito ang fantasy ko for today. Also guys, recently, yung vlogger na pinapanood ko talaga is si Steph Concepcion, Pia Alonzo, that's Bella. And I'm adding this one. This one. Let's go there! Muna na tayo, we're gonna turn off. Shucks guys, on the lot, nawalan ng power. Kakainin lang talaga ako sa subo na lang nawalan pa ng power. Lord, pakibalik na po ng power, please. Lord. What is up, you guys? So right now, it is 12:37 midnight. You know, guys, yung last scene was probably the scene na nawalan ng power for almost more than 2 hours. Grabe, wala akong ginawa. I just called my sister or friends and then talagang inubos ko yung oras ko kaka-chit-chat with them for 2 hours dahil wala rin akong masyadong data to browse or what and walang ilaw sa bahay. Thank God na overcome ko yun alone, which is very unbelievable, as in, you know, being alone sa isang bahay and then magkakaroon ng brownout. It was not at all in my bingo card. But anyways, thank God na overcome ko siya. What is up, you guys? Today is another day. Today is Friday, May 15, and it is currently, I don't know what time is it. Siguro magpo-4 na rin. Yeah, it's 3:36 p.m. Kung bakit ako nandito ngayon, because I'm currently waiting for the time. Like, and right now, nasa harap ako ng At the Blanc. Aga pa kasi. I'm gonna get my matcha. And also, today, nag-run lang ako ng errand.
Di ko lahat natapos ng mga dapat kong gawin, but anyways, it's okay. It's fine. It's human to not finish everything you have to do for the rest of the day. Ngayon, I think, mag-order na ako ng aking matcha because oras na rin. Anyways, update ko kayo ulit later, guys. Bye! Ang eksena kasi kapag dala yung tripod dito, that's why hindi ko siya dinala. Ang ganda talaga ng place here. It's a dab lang. And, you know, you just have the view, which is wala talaga siya. I'll show you guys. The place is so good here. Grabe naman yung ingay, bes. Got the goods. So, pwede na tayong mabuhay, guys. Let's therefore go, I guess. So, ayan. Ang ating kakainin for today ay tteokbokki, and we have Korean food and Vietnamese food. We are gonna eat na! Finally! Guys, what is up you all? It's Saturday and I think it's 11 p.m. And kakain pa lang kami ni Sophie. Ayan. And ayan, kakal namin si Kaina. Sophie is there. I'm waiting for her bago kumain. Fantasy namin ang manood ng Gossip Girl.